Hey everyone, welcome on in. It's Thursday. Wow, time goes by quick. We're going to be building our AI reinforcement learning model that can learn how to play a game. And right now it's just randomly, well actually it's periodically jumping, as you can see. And we're getting all of our training data in the right side of the screen. You can see over here on the right side, a little bit over here. We need to take that data and ingest it into our Python application, which we have not even written yet. I do have a reference, though we need to significantly modify it, and we're probably gonna write it from scratch here a little bit. So that's the plan. Yo, local admin, admin, what's going? Why do I not get YouTube notifications even though I hit the bell? Oh, local admin, that's because YouTube will only send out notifications to a subset of, and we just went live like a minute ago. So it might be a while. They don't send it out immediately, or they might not send it out at all. I know, it's weird, right? It's really weird. It's just how it works. And until I get I've only been doing this since last August. So I think I have a warm-up period, right? I've only been going live on YouTube for about a not even a year. So I think that's why. I think I'm just not a seasoned YouTuber yet. All right. So let's see here. Let's open up a new Python file. Let's go, I don't know, we'll call this model.py. Maybe we could do this. Something, or what should we call this? We should call this something. Purple app told me, so I'm here. Hey, all right. Yeah, there we go. Hey, Nina, good to see you. Hope we're having a good day. We are. I hope you're having a good day too. Dino game looks good now. It's it's just jumping, so it's RNG at this point whether it gets a high score or not. So we actually need to, because right now there's no intelligence behind it. There's no intelligence, so we have to do a little bit more. Let's see here. So what should we call this? We should call this something. Yo, Shupam, good to see it. You're here. Welcome on in. Neva, you're here too. All right, Stephen, how is going to be cool streamer feeling today? Well, we're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna enjoy it. That's what we're gonna do. That's the plan, Neva. Thank you. Yo, Quick Fix, good to see you as well. You messaged me yesterday. Had good deep talks. Nice. Good to hear it. Excellent. Thanks for replying. Absolutely. Hey, Quick Fix, how's it going? Good to see you. Number 6 over there. All right, we need to create a name for our file here. We got to call this something special, yeah? So let's call this, we need to say, I don't know, intelligence, no, reinforcement learning, reinforcement learning.py. How about we just call it that, yeah? Dino car, yeah, that's what we're doing. Auto Dino. Because, oh, that's a good name, actually. Oh, I like that name better. AutoDino.py. You're Quick Fix. You got some intelligence there. You got good ideas. All right, perfect. All right, we're calling it AutoDino. Dino overload, yeah. Oh, wait, Steven, are you only saving a single obstacle? Shouldn't you show at least 2 if there are? Oh, yeah. Good idea. All right, Neville, let's do 2. Let's do 2 of them, yeah? Let's do 2. Good idea, Neva. All right, so let's grab that here. So this will be, we need to say, let's see here, to do. We'll just close this for now, 1 second. We are only doing 1 obstacle, so we should do like obstacle 2 maybe, right? We could do obstacle 2. That sounds like a good idea to me. You're thinking ahead. Okay, so here we go. To do 2 obstacles, right? Or did I spell that right? Obstacles. We need to do 2 of them. We got to do 2 of them. All right, so let's do that. Hey, Steven, how's it going? Good. Clanker Plays. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. And hey, Mario Srini. Hey, good to see you too. Series reminder of YouTube named Syndex, who made an AI model trained on GTA 5 gameplay. Big brother, how's good to see you? Welcome on in. Tiborkio. Hello, Clanker. All right, you guys. Hey, Tiborkio, good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, so we need to do 2 obstacles. We're only doing 1. So let's see if we can get 2. Let's see if we can do 2 of them. So what we could do is we can say obstacle 1 and obstacle 2. We could try that. Obstacle 2, obstacle 1, increment. All right. And then we'll have the same thing. We need to do obstacle 1 and 2. It would be so nice if I did this a little differently. Hey, how's it going there, Personality HB? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Hello, brother. Namaste, namaste. Thank you. All right, Tara Pend. Oh, all right, good to have you here. Taru Pandit. Good to see ya. What's new in life? Nowadays, everyone. That's what it is. Hey, Krishna, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. All right, so we're gonna do obstacle 1, obstacle 2, and then we could say the same thing here for these. Let's see, obstacle 1 and obstacle 2. Obstacle 1, 1, and then obstacle 2, 2. There we go. 2 and wait. 2. There we go. 2. No. Yep. 2. Nope. Okay. 2. There we go. Perfect. Okay. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Obstacle 1 and 2. And then we need to update this, and then we have to do the same thing over here with this. It's a lot of code repetition. Never my beautiful code. I know. Oh, my beautiful code became. Oh, it's terrible. Okay. Now we need to do obstacle 1, 1. And hello, hey, how's it going there, Ice Papa? Hey, how's it going there, Ice Papa and Paws? Good to see you, Ice Papa and Paws. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Hey, Ruchi, you're here too. Call you TP? Okay, TP. We'll try TP. We'll call you TP. All right, sounds good. Bempa, good to see you, Bempa. Hello, welcome on in. Hey, John Wiku. Hey, John Wiku, good to see you as well. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. All right, we'll do 2 and 2. All right, and then we need to do the same thing down here. My goodness. There's so many things we got to do here. Paste, and 1, 1. And then 1, 2, 2. There we go. Perfect. All right. Pal complete Python oops. Oh, loops arrays. Yes. Some oops loops. I like that oops loops. John Wiku, yo, Steven, running the world already? Certainly running it, ruining it. Well, you know what? We're trying to do our best over here. We're trying to do our best. Now, did we get all these things? This needs to go 1, 1, 2, and 2. There we go. I think that did the trick. Does that do the trick? Now we have 2 obstacles with so much repetitive code. Look at that. That just exploded the code right there. You doing JavaScript? A little bit. JS. Hey, JavaScript 30 workout. All right. Hey, JS, good to see you. Can it run Doom, though? Clinker plays, right? I know, right? Could it run Doom? I think just one, there is an actual hard solution, trying to jump as early as possible, which implies solving a parabola. Oh, parabola. So if you do a single linear layer, it should actually probably work here, and we should see the brain wires. Maybe it needs like 2. Okay, so we've got 2, and you can visualize the brain. All right. So is this look good? I mean, not the greatest code. I'm a little embarrassed by it actually, because we could probably do it differently. We can organize this a little differently. I think we're fine though. We're fine. Let's see if it works. Let's reload it. All right, we have obstacle 1 and 2. Obstacle 1. Obstacle 1. Yep. Obstacle 2. There it goes. All right, looking good. 1. Let's see if we get another one. Yep, 1. And then do we get a second one? I'm looking right here. I'm looking for number 2 to come in. Yep, 1 and 2. Yep, okay, good. All right, we got 1 and 2. We did it, Never. We did it. Now there's 2. We did it. Hey, Crystal, for real. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. You doing JavaScript? Yes. All right, so 1 second. Wait, I thought you were providing manual inputs to the training data. I know, right? We probably will. Right now, I have it jumping so that way I can see the output here. I want to make sure it looks good. Looks good. Yep, looking good. Yeah, it does. Okay, we're good. All right. How's it going there, Rajat? Hey, Rajat. Good to see you, Rajat. Love to watch your streams and videos. So much knowledge. Thank you. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. Good to have you here. Obstacles 1.2 map.index. Ooh, can we refactor that? Yeah, Nina. Let's see if we can do that. All right. So we have obstacles. The thing is, we need to make sure that we got both, right? All right. So 1.2.map obstacles. .map. Can we do that? I don't know if you can do that syntax in JavaScript. We can refactor though. We can refactor it. So it's a little bit better. The obstacles, right, is going to be equal to, let's see, this .horizon.obstacles. Let's see. Let's see, how do we do that? Oh, we could do a dot map and then grab just the last two, right? Dot map. We could do a map in there. And then for each of them, we can grab the X and Y. So we could return O, X, and then return an X dot, O dot, what was it? O dot, dot X pose and Y pose? Okay, perfect. Dot X pose and Y pose, like that. So we're doing a little bit of refactoring, you guys. Just a smidgen of refactoring. Y, O dot Y pose. There's that. All right. Is that it? Did we do it? Then we only grab the last two. Slice. So we grab the slice of it. 0,2. Does that look right? How about that? How about this? Does that look good? Let's look at the code here a little bit better. Let's see if we did the right thing here, yeah? Here we go. Comma. All right. So does that look right? I think that might be. You looking correct to me? Nice, good to hear it. All right. Do you play Fortnite? Yo, how's it going there? We have before not played any Fortnite. Dev. Hey, Dev. Chanan, good to see you. Welcome on in. Thank you for following over there on Twitch. Good to have you here. Yo, Show, good to see you. Welcome on in. Drawn to the win. Hey, welcome on back. Good to see you as well. Good to have you here. Let's see. We played Minecraft on stream. That's true. We did. What it looks like, really? What are you all talking about? Neva, you talking? I'm trying to refactor this code because it exploded. It exploded a bit right there. A little bit of explosion. And let's see here. Are you a believer? Hey, Easy Love. Good to see you. Good to have you here. Hey, Richie, you got through season 6, episode 10 completed. Nice. Wow. How many seasons are there? Do you guys know? Wait. Pokemon trading card game. All right. 600 digital card collections. Whoa. All right. You should not need any manual input here. It's such a simple game. I think only 2 layers of Sigmoid would work. Super simple. All right. Good to hear it. That's what we'll do. We'll do it. Your projects are so diverse. Why? Because I'm following what you guys are asking for. That's really what the answer is. Hey, hold on a second. Do you want to do this? Or do you want to do that? And I'm just asking. It's whatever you guys want. It's what you want. Hey, Krish. Karthik. Oh, hey, Karthik. Hey, how's it going, Karthik? Good to see you. Welcome on in. You'd make one hidden layer with 2 to 5 neurons, but I think no hidden layer would probably work too. We're going to make it simple. All right, check Discord, just said. All right, whoops. Don't look at that. You saw nothing. All right, rules, arrival, general, you said? Uh-oh. Oh, no! Oh, that's terrible. Look at that. That's so unfortunate. Oh, wait, that looks like a cover, though. That's just the cover. No, or is that the full phone? Because see, I can see, oh, that's just the cover, yeah. That's still pretty, actually, that is the case of the phone itself. Okay. Wow, all right, that's awful. Let me put the crying sad face on there. Oh, no. Oh, that's terrible. All right, 1 second. Let me bring this back over here. There we go, perfect, all right. The back glass, oh, that's terrible. Okay, how's it going there? Shaina Nava? Hey, Shiana Nava, hey, good to see you. Welcome on in, thanks for saying hi. I want to see my digital card collections. I can send you over Discord. Sounds good, Richie. Absolutely. Not gonna lie, waiting for a Valorant. Want to see how game makers play it? Oh, we could do some Valorant, right? First person, right? A little bit of first person shooter there. It is gonna be simple. Looks good while I refactor it. Because I feel embarrassed. Because look at how many lines of code there are. Like, look, it's all this right here. That's a lot of lines of code that can get replaced by this right here, right? Look, that's way better, right? That's way better. Oh, wait. Oh, we should do something else though. I think not just obstacles like this. I think we should do really good. There was a better approach here. Here we go. Obstacles. How do we do this? How do we want to do this? 0 and 1. Wait, Nina, I liked your approach. Nina, I'm going to take your approach. 0, 1, map, and then this is going to be index. we'll just say I, right? And then XY, XY for the 2. Yo, hey, Cathix. Hey, thank you for the loot box. Whoa, that's the biggest one ever. Hey, my gratitudes to you. Wow, check that out, you guys. Hey, Cathix. That's amazing at Cathix. Wow. Wow, Cathix. Thank you at Cathix. Wow, thank you. Explanation point. Party popper. Let's do a little bit of party popper in there. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Wow, I was not expecting that. Thank you so much. After refactoring, can feel happy. Me too. Me too. I can feel happy after refactoring. Hey, Sergio, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Thursday. Hey, how's it going there? Quantified Quantum. Does the AI work for the birds? Yeah, it will. It will. Because we have the X and Y. We have the X and Y. So we're doing a little bit of refactoring here. So we're going to say let the obstacles equals map 1, 2. And then we're going to say this dot obstacles. Where's that at? Where did we put that at over here? Hold on a second. Let me undo this here. Yeah, I want this. 999 redo. Paste obstacles index X pose. Right? And then we do Y pose like that. And then we say or 1000. Right? There we go. That is way better. Way, way better. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. So good. Okay, now that we got our obstacles, 0, 1, and then we can grab the value from the index, the X pose and Y pose. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this. Look at all the code we deleted. Look at that. That was like, look at all the lines of code we saved. And then we have to do one more thing. We have to do one more thing on top of it. We have to scale it. We have to scale it as well. Let's do some scaling, yeah? Obstacles, map index, const obstacle. Index, something like that. Yep, exactly, Nina, exactly. You got it. You figured it out. Are we talking in the jumps position? Yes, we are also including the jump position. You can see it on the other side of the screen. You can see if it's jumping and the current jump velocity, right? So we got the jump position rate is currently jumping and the jump velocity, which is going to tell us where you are in the jump. So we got all of it there, yeah. We got it, we got it. Now I need to scale these guys. I need to scale those real quick there. I need to scale them. Twice, but seems more. Oh, we're good, we're good. I think we're good. Oh, let's see here. Oh, Cathix, thank you again, Cathix. My gratitudes to you. That was like a wonderful Thursday gift. Whoa, unexpected. Thank you so much. All right, so let's see. How are we gonna do this? Yeah, I think we could probably just say obstacles instead. Obstacles is obstacles. So that way we just keep it simple. Obstacles 1, there we go. Okay. And then I want to take that decimal and do a scale on this. So we need to scale these two things here. So X is 700, Y is 100. Okay. Let's scale it, you guys. Let's scale it. Yo, it's Quantified Quantum. Can you add a cactus cutter gun with unlimited ammo? Ooh, going to the win. That is something that we could do. I think that would make the game a little bit easier. We absolutely could do that. We sure could. Building, testing your own project as we speak. Thanks for your inspiration. Currently cooking my laptop running Quinn 3.6 locally. Hey, there we go. A little bit of vibe coding there. Quinn vibe coding. All right, all right. Null Zero. Hey, good to see you. Null Zero. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Hear me out. Make it open multiple tabs for training, then so modify the source code. Oh, ooh. Yeah, because we're doing one step at a time, we could open up multiple tabs and then have multiple versions of the game running, right? Right? So we could do another one. There we go. So now we've got two games happening at once. Oh, well, I need to hold on one second. We have a bug. We have a bug. It's not finished yet. So let's fix this. Let's fix this, yeah. All right, so I need to grab the decimal. So we're gonna do a division. There we go. By 100 and 700. And then we're gonna turn this into a decimal. Like that and that. Nope, yep. Here we go, there we go. Delete this. Okay, and I need to double check on the slice too. Let me do a check on the slice too real quick. Node, we'll do 1, 2, 3. Dot slice 0, 2. Yeah, that's right. Okay. No, wait. Yes. Good. That's good. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Confirmed. There we go. Is there a way an AI can learn real life animal language? I think so. In the next billionaire, guys. Yay. Shubem, you could do it. I think it's absolutely possible. Maybe we can build an app so we can make our machines. Oh, yeah, we could. We could turn the machines into our own workforce. We sure could. You got it. All right, you guys, let's see here. Let's keep going. So I want to get rid of these guys. So we have obstacles now. Code reduction by a lot. That was like a 90% code reduction. 90% code reduction, you guys. Oh, it looks so much better. Okay, save. Let's double check to see if it works now. No errors? No, I got some errors. You guys. I did something. I broke it somewhere. Let's see here. Where did I break it? It could be this. Let me see here. Because the map, I'm doing it. I suppose we could also, instead of saying XY, we could say 0, 1. We could do that too. Let me see. Where's the error at? Let's find out where the error is, you guys. Where did I do it? Syntax. Oh, unexpected colon at line 86. Let's see, 86, yeah. Whoa. Oh, yeah, okay, it is, okay. So I suppose we could do this. Maybe do something like that. How about that? Is that better? So that, nope, it's still same problem. Line 86, okay. Here is the problem. Let's see here. Position X, X pose, Y pose, index. This looks fine to me. Why is it not like that? I mean, it's a dictionary. Hey, thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. We can train coins to help you get one coin. Everybody's PC will help train it. Ooh, there we go. Hey, all right. Thank you for the hearts, you guys. Appreciate it. There are a lot of cat talking apps out there already. Oh, there are. Go to town. That's a good point. You can download an app on your phone and then it can decode what your cat is talking to you about. You could do that. That's real. It's real. It's a thing. You could do it. Some data sets, the problem, they have the unlabeled data. Okay. Let's see. What data are you using to train the AI? How's it going there? Maza. Hey, Mazzoline. That's fake. Too many fake ones. It could be real. So the data we're using, as you can see here on the right side of the screen here, all this data is the actual gameplay. And we should be able to grab that and then do reinforcement learning. So right now we're just updating this so I can make it look good from a... Do we have a dot map? No, 86. So why is this failing? Let me see this real quick. Hold on. We got to figure out why this is failing. Here, let me pull this down over here so we can see this a little bit better. Bring this down a smidge. Reload. It's still a syntax error on lane 85 now. So it says this is where the problem is. Let me see. Set wrap so I can see that a little bit better. Here. That's a little bit difficult to see. Set no wrap. Okay. And then I'm going to change this. I'm going to split down monitor here. ./monitor. Monitor. There we go. Thank you. Okay. So now we can see it a little bit better. Pane. Resize. Pane. Down. 4. Okay. There we go. Maybe we could do down. Nah, that's fine. We're good. Okay. So let's look at this. Why is there a syntax error here? Why is this broken? What is wrong with this? This looks good to me. It looks perfectly fine. I think that should work. I think it should work. Got an advertisement ad break. Oh, 30 seconds. Whoa, no way. All right. Maybe there's some data for dogs and cats because there's a comment. They are common. Yep, that could work too. I think, Stephen, what learning method algo are we using? So we're going to be using so here's a reference. So I'm going to be doing the DQN. We're going to do DQN. And we have to, so this is an example I found on the internet. And I need to take the example and convert it to work with this game. So it's going to be DQN, right? DQN. Is this Java? Oh, how's it going there? God City of Music. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. This is Python and JavaScript. Right now we've got an error in our JavaScript, which I think should be perfectly fine. I don't know why it's not. So something I could try is I'm going to try changing this to an array and then just deleting those things really quick. All right, let's see if that does the trick. Yeah. All right. Where is my window? Here we go. Reload. All right, reading undefined, cannot read property of undefined expose. Obstacles I. So I suppose what we could do is return an or. So we could wrap this like this and say or empty, right? We could do that. That looks good there. Yeah, okay, perfect. Redo this over here. Okay, that should allow that to work. So let's see if that does a better approach. Reload. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. All right. That did the trick. That did the trick. All right. So can I bring this back to X and Y? Can I do that? I want to try it. I want to bring this back to X and Y. Probably not, but we're gonna give our best shot at it. We're gonna give our best shot. Yeah, that's right. Oh, yep, that was it. We needed it. Oh, question mark. Can we do question mark in the latest JavaScript? Is this something that we could do? Can we do that? So you're saying question mark like that? Is that something we could do, or is that only TypeScript? That might be TypeScript only, right? Here, let's try this real quick. That might only be TypeScript. Okay. The question mark, yeah. So let's see. Let's try it. We'll try it. Reload. Nah, it doesn't like that. Oh, wait. S, here we go. Bring that. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let's try this again. Reload. Oh, it does work. Oh, hey, even better. Hey, we got modern technology now. All right, modern technology. Perfect. Hey, Nina, thank you. Yes, you can. All right. See, it's been a few years since I've done my JavaScript. And now we are good to go. Thank you. Nina, thank you. Gotta head out. Hey, Catholics, thank you so much for the wonderful, wonderful donation today. That was really nice for you to do. Appreciate it. So thank you for the support. Thank you very much. All right, so that made that code look a little bit nicer, didn't it? That made it a smidgen nicer. Right there, some nicenesses right there. Okay, so now we've got our X and Y. The only thing is we need to figure out how this is gonna work. Yeah. All right, so let's do a reload on that. That looks a lot nicer. Look at that. Ooh, looking good. Looking good. Oh, that's so good. It's clean. All right, I know we spent like a good 20 minutes refactoring right now, and it was not necessary, but I think it was necessary. Told you so, Steven. You did? Neva, you did. Hey, Jackie, good to see you. Jackie P1, welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. You saw a bug coming a mile away? Yeah, you sure did. Now it's good now. Now we're good. I did double of the speed to teaching. Oh, we could double the speed. We could increase the speed. Yes, indeed. You're better than me, to be honest, XD. Hey, Nina, it was your inspiration. That brought us here. Done. Send in Discord DM. All right. Is that something I can share on stream? Richie? Let me know. Okay. So now we've got this. We've got our data. That looks good. Let me commit this here. Get status. Let's see where we're at here. Okay. So let's split this here. Get status, get add everything. Get commit message. And we said updated for 2 obstacles. Push to main. There we go. Boom. Right there. Hey, Alex XGX. Good to see you. What's up, dude? I'm back. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Quick fix. You're here now? All right. Good to hear it. Jumping on over between the different apps. All right, you guys. All right. So let's see, where do we want to go from here? All right, so now that we've got our data, now we've got our training data, let's get our Python application up and running. So we can see we've got really good training data. We've got 2 obstacles, we've got the game speed, we've got the time step, and we should probably scale the time step as well. because we need that information. No, let's keep the time step the way it is. I think we'll keep that because we might need it for something down the line. Might need it for, hey, I was going there. Oh, Thera, my C, good to see you. Hey, my name is Kelly. Oh, hey, Kelly, today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Kelly. Good job, you made it another year. All right, good job. Good job, Kelly. All right, so I'm gonna try, Thermi C is Kelly. That was Kelly. Don't share doxing information? Exactly. Yeah, don't share it. How's it going there, West Paca? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. All right, so we need to open up our new Python file, which is empty. It's called AutoDyno. And we need to use the reference around here somewhere. Where's that at? Where's our reference? Here it is. Okay. So we need gymnasium and stable baseline 3. So let's grab these here as files. Let's see here. Let's go back here. So let's do requirements, requirements.txt. We're going to paste in baseline. And we also need gymnasium, right? A little bit of gymnasium here. This one. All right. Gymnasium and stable. So let's grab this. There we go. Oh, wait. We already said stable. What about gymnasium? Yeah. All right. Gymnasium. All right. Go there. Okay. And let's grab the latest versions. Yeah. Steven, why not use PPO or Sarsa? I don't know. I'm not familiar. I've not done reinforcement learning like this before. This is a new thing for me. And we're doing DQN because that was recommended. DQN was recommended to us by several people. Is it machine learning? Yes. Yes, West Paca. Yes, it is. Sergio, thank you for saying hi. Hope you're doing well, man. Just checking to see what you're doing. What's your goal today? I would love to be able to start collecting the data inside our Python app here. If we can start collecting the data inside of our Python app, then we can start training the model. Is it learning? No, it's not. It is currently not learning. It's just data that's getting thrown away right now. So we're generating the data, which is the step 1. So you can see at the bottom of the screen there, the data is being generated. Now what we have to do is write the application that's going to make it work. When do we start? As soon as I write the code. I got to write the code first. Training Pokemon to higher levels can be time consuming. Karthik, the OG Karthik. Yes, I can share. Okay. All right. Sounds good. All right. We'll share it. Ruchi, we'll share it. Karthik. All right. So if I missed your message, you guys, just let me know. Will it optimize jumps? Since jumps doesn't affect speed, will it just keep spamming? I don't know. I actually don't know. I think if it keeps spamming, it's going to lose. So we'll have reinforcement learning where when it crashes, like right here, the game ended, we're going to give it a negative reward, a punishment. So we will punish the model. So that part will probably be a good trick there. When it does learn, can it remember? Yes, it will. It'll remember. It sure will. Absolutely. You got it. So we got to do a couple things here. Where is this our requirements txt? No, this is our requirements txt. Okay. So we need to grab the latest versions of these guys here. 1 second. Why? All right. Close this. Yes. All right. So Google pip for our pip package here. All right. Where are we at here? I need this one. And this is version 290. All right. Was that for stable baseline? Okay, equals 290. And then we need this for gymnasium as well. Let's grab that. Gymnasium. And I probably is this one right here, yeah? 130. Perfect. All right. Let's grab this. Okay. Save. Let me do pip install -r requirements. exe. Looks good. All right. Making waves. Hey, awesome bro. 285. Good to see ya. I see you changed the crash detection to a binary system instead of a crash. Yes, you did. You're noticing it. Yes, we did. Absolutely. Let's see. Index.js. See. Pubnub.publish. Right here. This line of code right here. Yep. All right there. You noticed what we did. Very nice. For autonomous driving, it's reinforcement learning or a simple machine learning. I believe it's reinforcement learning. I think, right? I'm pretty sure. We can make a botnet that trains it. Yes, we are doing a botnet. We are. All right, Steven, also dino game later. Come flying dino. Also new obstacles need to recognize by AI. Yes, there are flying dinosaurs, the pterodactyls. So we have to grab those pterodactyls. So let's see if I can like help it along. So oh no, I'm losing it. Okay. Yeah, so let's keep going, you guys. All right, so real quick, you said, let me see here. All right, here we go. Whoa, wait, these are digital? They look real. Oh, they made them look real on purpose. This is a good collection you've got here of digital cards. They're the digital versions. Which one? I like the Sand Slash. I like Sand Slash. Very nice, very nice. Also in the dino game, okay, so the core formula you need to rank expecting reward of each action. There are 3: press, jump, no, and down. Yes, exactly. There are 3. You got it, exactly. There are 3. I'm with you on that. Ooh, I like how you've got them all organized. I like the organization of them. Hey, Bungie, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. How to learn to do what you're doing. We've been practicing for a while. It's a long amount of work. It's a lot amount of effort, really. It's AI. So you start by you start by some basic regression, linear regression. And then you go up to deep learning, and then you do some other more advanced things. The progression is, for me, I jumped straight into deep learning. And like I skipped linear regression, and that was actually fine. I didn't really know what was going on. So that's how I did it. You might want to do it differently. You could do it differently. Can you change character model? I probably could, because it's just an image. So I can change it. Ooh, Jigglypuff. I like Jigglypuff. Nice. Oh, Pseudo. Hey, Pseudo. That's neat. I like that. I've never heard of that one. Although I think that's more of an OG one, because it's 9. All right. I think for autonomous stuff, it's a mix of stuff. Yeah, a lot of safety stuff, just object detection. There you go. Yep. You got it. Packages, I thought you were coding database real quick. Feels easier to do since the game is simple and you're not doing PPO. Never. We're trying an option. I don't know exactly. I've never done this before, so I don't know. Hey, GCA. How's it going? Oh, let's see here. Hi. Hey, Cherry. Hey, Cherry. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Thursday. Making game right now. We're making an AI that can learn to play the game is what we're doing. Reinforcement learning. Stable baseline out of the box implementation for DQN. You just have to set parameters and the reward function. That's what we're going to do. I've got a reference. So we're going to try that because it's easy. Root cheat. This is awesome. Ooh, what's this? What's old amber? That's a thing? Wait, that can't be a thing, really? Okay. You've got some good stuff here. Look at that. Wow. Root cheat, very nice collection. Nice collection you got there. Very nice collection. Are you modding it or are you using a code from a game? I'm modding it. So you can see here, here's the game, and we updated the code so that way we can export the status, the state of the game. Export the state of the game. Thank you, pal. Ruchi, thank you. Okay, so now we've got our data. Let's open up our auto dyno. Where'd we put that at? Here, auto dyno. Okay. So we need to say import gymnasium, and we need to import as well stable baseline. All right, stable baseline 3. We're going to do DQN. We're doing DQN. I don't think linear regression and classical stuff helps with LLM style stuff. The math is very different. True. I mean, it is very different. Just having the idea and understanding of the back propagation, I feel like is the same for the most part, right? And having that as like in a simpler environment, I think can help. Because with linear regression, you still need that back propagation. How do I switch my tab to one of my monitors because I'm making a game? I don't know. Are you on Windows? Where are you? You would actually best served learning different equations. Oh, and the Euler method. Okay, so listen to Neva. If you're learning AI and you're starting from the beginning, Neva is your best resource. Could you use other learning types? Yes. Yes, we could. Sup, bro, edits. Yes, we could. We sure could. All right, let's go to our data. So I need, do we need NumPy as well? All right, so import numpy as NumPy. Numpy. All right, so we've got our numpy as Jim. And did we want we want to import, okay. So let's do this. From import DQN. DQN right there. Okay. All right, let's see here. And then we've got, I mean, do we really need that? Do we need that? Okay. So let's see what we're doing here. So I need to create a data collector. So how are we going to do that? We need to create a data collector. All right, class. And this is going to be a gem environment. Okay. Gem. Here, let's get the next song going, you guys. There we go. Perfect. All right. All right, there we go. HP in the tab on one of your monitors. It won't let me change to the main computer. Oh, Bungie. Oh, no. Well, here, what I do is I know I've got a tab, right? So I've got like this other tab here, and then I just move it to the other monitor. Like I just shoot it across the screen. I put it across the screen. That's what I do. That's all I do. Check general. Okay, real quick. We got to make some actual code here. We got to get some code going. A little bit of code. In the first page, there is no anti-cheat. What does this mean? What are we doing? What are we doing? I can't really see here. Oh, hey. Yeah, you're just running through. The second there is. Let's see. What are we doing here? Okay. Let's see here. I don't understand. Quick fix. Can you describe a little more details there? I don't really know what's going on. I don't get it. All right. .env. Is that .env is a small? It's an uppercase. Okay. There we go. So we're going to capitalize that. All right. So we're going to say environment. Environment. We're going to say environment. There we go. Yeah. And we could probably make that big because it's a class. And then we need to say def init. And I don't know what we want here under init. Let's see here. Do we need anything? No, we don't. Okay. But we do have to do a super init. There we go. All right. A little bit of super in there. KL reminds me of that. Wait, what is KL? Hey, Cardinal Erdem. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. Do you know Cosmos 3 paper? No, I do not. How do I move it? Bungie, I really want to help. I actually don't know because I'm on a Mac and I run Linux and Mac. And so it sounds like you're on Windows, and I don't know Windows. I used to. I knew Windows 15 years ago. That was like when I left it permanently. Let's see. Or maybe actually it was more like 20 years ago now. KL divergence is a measure of distance. Ah, okay. Well, I mean, our distance here does not need KL at all. It's simple linear. It's very simple. All right, you see the cactus? It's getting close to the dinosaur. How are you doing? I'm doing good. I want to be famous. Hey, 987, good to see you. We're doing very good. Thank you for stopping on in. Good to have you here. We are seeing if we can make our code. Here we go. All right, so self super. It's not a self. There's no self there, is it? Do we def self? I suppose we could. All right, self. I forget because I'm always in Rust. You don't have a self until you know. It's only between probability distributions. Oh, okay. So we don't need to worry about that then in this case. We don't need to worry about that. Okay, so we're gonna have an action space and an observation space. Okay, so self.action space. And we have to do this in order to. We have to say it a certain way. Space equals, what is this here? A spaces.discrete. Now I think we need to import something from the gymnasium to do that, right? We need spaces, okay. Here, let's just gymnasium, import spaces. All right. All right. From gymnasium, import spaces. Import spaces. There we go. All right. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Can you do a try not to laugh challenge? Oh, hey, maybe, yeah, that actually would be a lot of fun. We could do that someday. We sure could. Absolutely. I think that's a good idea. All right, we'll put that as a stream idea. This is like a rare, not engineering focused stream idea. All right, let's create a new one. All right, try not LAUGH challenge. All right, try not to laugh. All right. And this is another done, added. There we go. We added it. It's there. It's there. If I'm right, also learning the distance between the object to the jump start point. That's what it should be doing. So we've got our obstacles down here, right? Here's our obstacles right there. So we should be able to, it should be able to learn basically. So that's what we need to collect that data. So we're going to have 3 discrete actions. Here we go. So the discrete actions are going to be, you can either jump, you could do nothing, or duck. There's 3 options, right? So we're going to have 3 options. Let's see here. Spaces discrete. Okay. Spaces dot, is it really discrete? Here we go. Discrete. Okay. Discrete. All right. Increment. Okay. Looking good there. All right. Let's close this. There we go. All right. Perfect. Pokemon versions are more difficult to maintain. Karthik. Hey, Pokemon has more versions. Karthik, the OG. Oh, wait. Sandy. Hey, Sandy, what are you saying over there? Something about skincare. Okay. Today, life so much for skincare. All right. So, all right, Sandy, sounds good. Why don't you make it learn? Oh, Alex, we will. I'm trying. I'm trying. We'll make it learn. We will. We haven't even written any learning code yet. Bungie, so I can make my sword. Ooh, I won't be typing for a while. All right, sounds good. Game dev, sounds good. We will. We'll make it learn. We'll make it learn, you guys. It's going to take a little while. All right, then we have self dot. We have a different kind of space here, right? Observation space. Observation space equals. Probably is it a space? Is another kind of space? Yeah. Spaces dot box. Dot box. And then we're gonna have a low and a high. See, I don't know what our low and high needs to be. And then our shape is gonna be the input features, and we have a lot of shape features here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 features. So let's do this. Low equals -1. High equals, let's say probably have 2, because I'm scaling things, right? I'm scaling things. And then our shape is going to be 7 comma empty. And then type is going to be dfloat. dtype equals float. np.float. Is it really? And we're going to do np float? Okay. Well, it's going to be in the CPU anyway, so it's not like it's going to matter that much. All right, here we go. Okay. I think that is about nice. Let's make this a little bit nicer to read, yeah? Just a smidge nicer. There we go. All right. Are you trying to make it never die? Yes. I want to be famous. 987. Exactly. You got it. Hey, Yuval. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. Okay, definitely smarter at this time. Okay, sorry about that. Hey, we're trying our best, Alex. We'll make it work. We will. I promise. We'll make it work. We've always succeeded. We will succeed this time. I'm very confident. And then we've got our input features. All right, so this is our input features. We're going to have time. We're going to have speed. Obstacles. Obstacle 1 and 2. Oh, wait. No. We have more. We've got 1, 2. We've got more. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 9. We have 9. We have 9 items. Okay. Obstacle XY, X1, Y1, and then X2, Y2. And let's see what else we got here. Let's see, future time, speed, space, shape, crashed, or game over, like game over, right? Game over, jumping, jump velocity, which is kind of like your jump positions, kind of. It's basically your jump position. For each obstacle, you must jump over or try jump so you land as early as possible. This always wins if it's possible to win. Yes, never exactly. And then also we have like, the ducking. We have to do ducking. Make a detection box in the front of the dino and make a different direction of the obstacle so the different action is based on the obstructions. Hey, Steve. Hey, Steven. Yes, Steven Gelman. Steven Gelman, yes. That would do the trick. We could program our own AI with a set of rules that does exactly like what you're describing. We could do that. What we're going to do, though, is we're going to do something a little more challenging. We're going to do reinforcement learning. So we're capturing all the data, and we need to have an AI make a decision on whether to jump or not. So we're actually training artificial intelligence here. So that's what we're doing. Are you inspecting the page? We are. Yes, we are. So what we've got here is, I'll show you really quick. We're using pubnub.publish right here. And we're extracting state of the game. So you can see here, this pubnub.publish is the thing that allows us to extract the data from the game. We can put this code anywhere, and then it allows us to capture the game state here at the bottom of the screen. You see at the bottom of the screen right here? This is all the game state. So that is my monitor. I'm currently monitoring that game state information that's getting delivered through the pubnub.publish. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this monitor data, and then put it inside of our environment. Over here is our environment. You can see our environment here. So we are going to take that and put it inside of our environment. So that way we are able to use that as training data for the AI. And then we're going to need to transmit data from the AI into the game itself. So we have to inject updates into the game via like a jump command. And so we'll have to do that over here on the other side of the screen. So we have got a lot of work ahead of us, you guys. We got a lot of work. Duck until you pass. Oh, that's a good idea. I never even thought about that. So it's just like a persistent duck. You could do a persistent duck. I didn't even think of that. That's a good idea. Oh, Neva, you're clever. Neva, you're clever. How's it going there, Andro? Andro Gamer, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. You should do a thing, the app that makes it basically track news and tell if what's happened or what's happening today. Oh, Bungie, I've done that before. I have. I've done it before. We've done it. Yes, and we used it for trading data, right? Because we could see if anything needed to be, purchased or sold. We've done that before. You got it. We've definitely done it before. We've done it before. Let's see. Can you make it so it can impress my friends that I get really far? Yes, exactly. Haggister. Wait. Yes, we sure can. We sure can. Hey, how's it going there? Danny. Hey, Danny. Danny. Good to see you. Welcome on in. The injection would be hard with my anti-cheats. I don't know about that. I don't know. The point that you can solve classically for all cases, it's not very interesting though. Right? Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna make it. We're gonna see if we can get an AI to train. Where'd you learn programming? At age 11, when I was 11. So that was like decades ago now. That was decades ago. I had a book called Sam's Teach Yourself C++ in 24 Hours, and it came with a CD with a compiler, a Borland C++ compiler. And there was my beginnings. That's how I got started, you guys. Perfect strategy. If I miss your chat, just let me know. The most impressive thing here is the live subtitles or latency. Yeah, the live subtitles. Hey, yeah. This is tech that I've had many years ago, you guys. So let's see here if I bring this up here. So here is if you want, you can grab these. They're on our Discord. So if you go to Discord, you can get them too. They're open source and available to you forever for free. Best promotion. Okay. All right. What is CD? Compact disc. It's a media device. I know I'm old, you guys. I'm in my 40s. It's so accurate. It's great, right? Wow, very expensive. It is. Well, we're doing okay. We're doing okay. Oh, hey, Cypress. Hey, Cypress Mapping. Thank you for subscribing and joining the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building a reinforcement learning AI model that's going to learn how to do the dino jump game. We're going to train it. It's the T-Rex runner game, and we need to capture all the data from the game, export it into a Python script that is going to be running our AI model. Yo, Moo Cow, thank you for the shine. Thank you for the sunshine. My gratitude to you. Thank you very much, Moo Cow. Whoa, hey, I was not expecting that. Appreciate you very much. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I'm getting to the point with you guys where the chats are difficult to keep up with. They are getting difficult. Reinforcement learning, yeah, exactly. Hey, Danny boy, all right, thank you for subscribing. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. We're going to be building reinforcement learning today, you guys. Reinforcement learning. Hey, man, I saw you yesterday. We're getting, and now you're getting 5080. What are your thoughts about that? We're just making our way. We've been streaming for since last August. We've been streaming since last August, you guys. So good to have you here. We're going to make it. We're going to make it work. And so I think maybe we're just getting to the point maybe where we're doing better now or something. I don't know. Like, it's good to have you guys here, though. It's fantastic. You watch Code Bullet. I have not seen Code Bullet. Reward function is the score increasing. Yes, Jay Looney, exactly. You lied to us. Hey, Eminem, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. Do the AI as a function too differentiate between cactus and height of length? Yes. Well, we sort of. So we're going to have that here. We're going to have it here. We're going to do our best, you guys. We're going to do our best. All right. Steven, why did you use C for PubNub and not C++? Since you started with C++, I wanted C because it was a lot simpler. One of the things I do as a software engineer is I look to reduce the code that I'm being using. There's a lot of features built into languages that you should throw away. Just throw away those features. You don't need them. They're too much. The ideal code base is a minimum code base that is very simple, very, very simple, and it reduces code as much as possible because every line of code is debt. All the lines of code that you have are debt. This is code debt. Do not write with all those fancy features because it's going to make your code base more complex. You might be thinking, oh, I'm a good engineer. Oh, I'm going to be building this wonderfully abstract programming environment. Oh, it's going to look so good. And it ends up being 40,000 lines of code that nobody wants to maintain. You did a very bad job. You actually failed. You are a failure at engineer. Don't do that anymore. Don't do it. That's my opinion. If you guys know. I missed your message, Spongy. Sorry. What did you say over here? It didn't show up. Make it so it only jumps when it sees cactuses. Yes, we could do that. We could do that, and that's what we're currently working on. We're going to try it our best. We're going to try. Danny, how? Let's see. Are you training it to jump only? You have to dodge. Yes. So Rohit, we have yet to train it. It's just jumping on its own for the training data. So set interval. Right here. Every 230 milliseconds, it jumps. That's the code that we added in. So like if I remove this code and I reloaded the page, it's not going to jump on its own. It's just going to walk, right? It's just going to walk. Hey, Marshall, good to see ya. W. Steven, welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Programming the AI in the Dino game. That's right. That's what we're doing. We're doing that right now. So I'll bring the jumping back, you guys. So auto jumps. Bring the auto jumper back. There we go. Why don't you use multiple instances? Oh, we are using multiple instances. There it is right there. We're doing it right there. 2 in 1, you guys. Use free buff. No, it's okay. I did not like it. I didn't like free buff. I know. You kind of miss about the Rust was stable to see. Like Rust changes, and so old Rust code feels slightly annoying to work with. Oh, over time, yes. The Rust compiler has changed, and there's a lot new, better Rust features. Well, we could use Codex. I wanted to code it all by my hand, though. I don't want to cheat. I don't want to use the AI to write the code for me. Ruchit, good to see you. Good to have you here. We'll see you at the next one. Oh, I want to learn. I don't want to. If I did it your way, I wouldn't learn anything. I want to learn, you guys. I want to learn. Okay, let's keep going. If I miss your chat message, just let me know, and I will go and find it. Say, hey, you missed my chat message. How do you inject the inputs? We're going to be using PubNub. So let's see here. I'll show you. So right here, /pubnub.publish. Let's see, PUBNUB. So this is PubNub, and it's going to be used to extract the game state, and it's going to be used to send data to the game. So that's what we're going to do. You missed my chat message. I did, Shubham. All right, what'd you say? Yo, I'm back. I just ate my dinner. All right. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. Hope you had a good dinner. Let's see. I missed your message too, Bungie. What'd you say, Bungie? Let's see. I love Sleepy. I love Sleepy. Sleepy's good. Bungie. Do you want to know what my game is about? Yes, I do, Bungie. Tell us what your game's about. Tell us. Steven verified the current version of PubNub runs on Rust. Yes. Rust and still a little bit of C, but we are taking care of that right now. We are going to replace all of the C with Rust, you guys. What model? DQN. We're going to do DQN. A little bit of DQN here, you guys. A smidgen of DQN. We're going to grab this here, right here. We're just going to copy that in. Paste that. Okay. So DQN, which I don't specifically know what it is, other than it's going to make it really easy for us to do reinforcement learning. So a little bit easy. Basically, it's Pytorch. I believe it's Pytorch with DQN in the back end. Oh, I missed your message too, Aditya. All right, what'd you say, Aditya? What'd you say? You missed mine as well, Adit. All right, 1 second. I'm scrolling. Where's your message at? How can we connect Claude Cowork with Linux servers? Is there any way you know? I have an SSH key. Yes, you can do that. Just run it on... Claude Cowork. Oh, I don't know what Claude Cowork is. I was thinking Claude Code CLI. I've never used Claude Cowork. I don't know what that is. Hey, all right. Hello, you guys. Thank you for all the chats. I'm having difficulty keeping up with it. I'm good to have you here, though. What's your favorite colors? Purple. You basically fight ghosts and a lot of different ghosts. There is a leaderboard, so you're supposed to defeat the most ghosts. And from defeating the most, you get money for weapons. Hey, all right. KGT 24K. They have desktop app for Claude Code now on Linux. Oh, nice. Hey, there you go. Hey, you got your answer. You got your answer right there. Odin Eye Gaming. Can you grow facial hair? A little bit. A little bit. I used to be able to grow more, but then that changed. Okay. Now let's get going here. Okay. I like your Bungie. I like your game, Bungie. Basically, you want Q state. Q says is future reward. Okay. We'll try our best. All right. Let's close that. Undo. Yes. Redo. Okay. Close. All right. So now we've got our inputs, actions, or this is what the output's going to be. So we've got, basically it's a logit of 3, right? Logit of 3. What are you teaching? M9 UMI. We are doing reinforcement learning. We got a dinosaur game up here and another here that's getting us all of our training data. Got all of our training data, right? So we've got the data being input through our training data here. So we're gonna train the AI on this game right here. And we've got 2 of them running. We can add more. We can add more later though. We can add more, you guys. What are we doing? Double fishing. We are building reinforcement learning. Let's see here. All right, good. Okay. So we need a state export. Okay, so this is gonna be 9 for the state box. So it needs to match the state box. So we need to define a state function here. All right, def_state. And what do we want here? It's going to return a numpy array. Let's see, is there anything here? Just self. Okay, self. All right, so we're going to return np.array. And we're going to return a bunch of state values. All right, so what are we going to want? Distance, speed. I don't know about any of this stuff. So we need to do something different. Oh, wait, Bungie, sorry about that. Would you say, Bungie, you still get money from defeating ghosts, but you get the most the higher you are on the leaderboard. Oh, so you've got a scaling factor. All right, very nice. Very, very nice. Do you play Fortnite? I've not played it on stream before. Hey, how's it going there, Robert Holland? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you guys here. Gonna shout out reaching exactly what you're doing, but better level. I think a lot of people would like that. Oh, Alex, we could probably... So we actually need to just get our model learning first is what we got to do. We have to learn the model first. Hey again, Malcolm, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Why make it learn from another game instead of its own failures? Would that That's exactly what we're going to do. So the important thing is we need it to learn from its failures. So every time it crashes, we need to give it a punishment, basically, right? A negative reward. So that's what we're going to do right now. Negative reward. You used to love reinforcement learning videos? Hey, well, this is my first one. So we're going to try to make it work. All right, so I don't know exactly what state's being used for here. Look at that. All right, reset state. I don't know what this is. I don't know what's going on here. So what is this function here? Oh, that's a step. Okay. So I don't know specifically what we're going to do with this. I don't know what the idea is. This is for another reinforcement learning game, but we want to make it for our game, right? We want to make it for our game. So what I need to do is for this fake environment is I need to capture our data. So we have a lot of work ahead of us here. We got a lot of work. Let's see, Python, autodino. We've got an error, no module name, baseline. Did we not pip install it? Pip install -r requirements. All right, let's try that. All right, so no module name stable baseline 3. Really? Hold on, vi requirements. It's right here. We got it right there. NumPy. Let's make sure we got our correct version of NumPy. All right, let's grab that real quick. URL, you're lagging? Oh, we're back now. We should be back. No lagging. No lagging. All right. Let's see here. So pip numpy. Let's grab this really quick. No, yes, here we go. 251. All right, 251. Looking good. Okay. So we've got that. So why did it not like stable baseline? Did I do this wrong? Is this incorrect? Is that the incorrect word for that? That seems correct to me, right? Oh, it's not. Oh, I messed it up. In stable baselines. Okay, so I did. So it's stable baselines. Oh, I was off. I was missing. Whoops. There we go. How about that? All right. Okay. Pip requirements looks good. Okay. Oh, successfully installed 251. Okay. Let's try again. All right. Good. All right. Python autodino. Autodino. There we go. Hey. All right. Good. We fixed it. All right. Okay. So let's keep going, you guys. All right. So where do we need to go next? Here we go. All right. So we're going to do it. I don't know what this is for. I don't understand this. And we've got a train. So is this going to... Oh, this is the forward method. I see. This is the forward, you guys. All right. So step is the forward. So let's define that first. I think that's going to be better. I'm going to call it forward. Def forward. Self input. Oh, wait. Is that what that was? Action. No. That is not the forward. This is after the forward. Weird. As far as no, you need history for DQN. Otherwise, it just PPO, isn't it? Oh, should we do PPO instead? Hey, Bungie, thank you for hanging out with us. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. You'd be curious to see a performance difference between positive reward only, negative reward only, and both, as well as different function shapes, like max versus min jump count. Ooh, Jay Looney. That would be interesting. PPO is more complex. Is it more complex DQN? Oh, got it. Okay. So we're just going to start with DQN. We're going to do DQN only for starters. So I don't need to worry about reset right now. So we got our state, which I don't know exactly what this is, but it looks like there's 6 elements here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6. Okay. So that means that this is the input state for the features. And why are these static here? What are these static for? I don't understand this. I see distance, speed, and like if the player is jumping, maybe. You can see on their paper, they specifically mention DQN. Okay. You have 0. Yep, but you're highly logical with coding? Well, you know what? 1 second. I just put water on my keyboard accidentally, which I usually do at least once a stream. How does it determine the obstacle? Based on pixels. Oh, good news. I've got a good answer for you there. We've got a good answer. I'll show you as soon as my keyboard turns back on here. You should make it so it doesn't always jump, but jumps when near obstacles. Hey, that's exactly what we're doing. Hey, that's the plan. We have to make it work. So let's see here. We'll open up this file here, JavaScript. Okay. So we will be making it jump. We just need to train it first. Right now it's just randomly jumping. Well, it's jumping like on an interval. It's like jumping on an interval right now. How does it determine the obstacle? So the obstacle is here, pubnub.publish. We are grabbing that data here. So you can see our obstacles right here. And we're pulling it in, set no wrap. There we go. So you can see right here is where we're capturing the obstacle state, and then we're exporting it. So that's what we're doing. We're grabbing the obstacle state directly from the game. We're extracting it. You can see here at the bottom of the screen, this is where all the obstacle state is and everything else you can see. And we're going to import that into our Python application. Master, how much programming language you master on it? How many programming languages do I know? Is that the question? We've got JavaScript, we've got Python, we got C#, we got C, we got C++, we've got Java, I don't like though, so Java's going to go at the bottom. I don't like that one. We've got Scala, Kotlin, we've got Swift, we got some Objective-C, we've got, remember the PHP and Ruby days? Yeah, remember those? A little bit of TypeScript in there, which is basically JavaScript. And then Rust. Rust goes at the top, though. I like Rust. Rust is right there, you guys. Right there. Actually, based on pixels or values? Actual values. So it's the actual values, Steve. Steven is the actual values. Steven Gelman. Java. Exactly. That's why that one goes at the bottom of the screen. It's gone. You don't need it anymore. If you want to do Java, you could do Scala or Kotlin. You don't need anything. You don't need Java anymore. No more Java, please. Thank you. Oh, hey, sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay. If I miss your chat message, just let me know, you guys. Let's go back to the code here. Steve Eagleman. Oh! Steve Eagleman. Hey! Angel in German. Oh, Eagleman. All right, Steve. All right. So I was calling you Steven Gelman. Hey, all right. Hey, I was going there. Landon Bowen. All right. Good to see you. Thank you for dropping on in. All right. Steve Engelman. All right. We got it. Hey, Daniel Marks. That was good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Got to take that one. Yep. You got to take that one. I do. All right. So this is not a for. This is a step. So this is the actions. And then we're going to do something else over here. So I'm not familiar with this. Pass for now. All right, so we need to return a step. There's also a reset. Do we need to do a reset? I think we might, because I need to double check when this is run. Run trained. Okay. Reset. It only happens on this part here, on the run trained. So we don't need to reset it ever. I don't think we ever need a reset. Okay. Super reset seed. Seed the RNG SB3 specs. Oh, we don't need that though. I'm not going to bother with that. So basically we don't need to write this function. This function we don't need. We don't need the reset function. How are you today? Hey, Landon Bowman, we're doing good. Thank you very much. Thank you for asking. Good to have you here. The most common type is small. Is it small? Wait, Daniel Marks. What do you mean? What do you mean, Daniel Marks? I don't understand. Okay. Steven, step is to do a step in the game, and reset is to reset the game. Well, yeah. Never. You think I didn't get? You think I didn't get that one? Here's the deal. The game's automatically resetting for us, right? So when we're getting the input from the environment, we actually have the full environment here. So we don't need to actually do a reset. Unless we were generating the game ourselves from synthetic data. But we have live data right here. I thought you confused it with the training step. I mean, I did for a second, because I was going to call it the forward function. Forward, but it's not the forward function. It's not. It's a step with actions. So it's the input. So what I need to do is capture the output of the actions and run it through a step, from my understanding. Hey, do you like VS Code? Hey, Radio. I think VS Code's fine. I really like Vim though. I like Vim. How are you? I'm good, Lambo. Hey, Lambo. Thank you for asking. Good to have you here. Because you do stuff over the wire, it's trickier because you're assuming you never miss a frame. Yeah, so even if we miss a frame, that's okay. We won't though, because we've got guaranteed delivery. We don't have to worry about that. Lambo, thank you for saying hi. Good to have you here. All right. Let me see here. All right, let's keep going. So I want to figure this out. So run trained. I don't think we're ever going to need the reset. We are going to need the model though. We're going to need this. So we're going to need a train function and the total time steps. I suppose what we're going to do is we're going to need to collect some game sample data and then we're going to have to pass it through. The only thing is, how do I pass it through and give it input data for the action? Do I know? Or is it going to be RNG? Like, how does the action data get generated? So action. So this is what I'm curious about. How does the action get generated? Is it random? Int action, step, no. Wait, what? This is an integer? No. Wait. This doesn't make sense. Java's better. I don't think so, Radio. No. What is a good coding website? You mean for learning to code? I really like W3 Schools. All right, W3 Schools. I like this one because it gives you the ability to, run your code directly in the browser if you want. So W3 Schools is one of my favorites. And it's free and you don't have to sign up. You don't have to sign up for it. It would test all 3 actions, you believe. Oh, really? Okay. So DQN is going to attempt all 3 actions, but then how do we have to do a full simulation? Do we have to fully simulate it? Or can I just grab the data? Yo, the gold coin. Hey, I missed the gold coin. Thank you very much, Lambo, for the gold coin. My gratitude to you. Thank you very much. Also for the silver star. Hey, all right. Thank you very much. I missed that. I apologize. And another gold coin. Hey, thank you very much. My gratitudes. Yo, Lambo, you're so nice to me. Thank you very much. So I need to learn more about DQN, you guys. Is what I got to do. Good day, sir. How are you? Actually currently in while loop, part of Python. Hey, all right, the while loop. Hey, there we go. I like me some while loop. Jay did. Awesome. Thank you. Well, thank you. Thank you. Good to guys have you here. Missed the frame since the model runs too slow and the JS just did the update anyway. It would test all 3 actions. The point for the DQN, you need to sometimes just see one action forward and sometimes see all possible actions. Okay. All right. Hey, Robot Blot. Good to see ya. Welcome on back. What's up, Steven? The update example is Q state, RDK, next state. Okay. So we're going to need to do a little bit more. I mean, the code here is pretty straightforward. The thing is, this is simulating it here, and I wanted to grab the live data directly. I want to grab the live data from the game directly, right? Because I'm capturing it here. So I want to be able to run it through the model. So then how do we do this? Let's see here. So for the current state, you just compute against the action that happened. Okay. All right, we're going to try. We're going to see. We'll make it work, you guys. For the next state, you check all possible future actions and sum that. All the possible future actions? What? That seems like that would be infinity. I kind of understand what you're saying. So let's see here. So this only has one action, and I don't understand why there's one when there's 3 discrete actions, right? Shouldn't it be like 0, 0, 1? Like 0, 0, 1? Something like that, right? Instead of just one action? Or is it like -1, 0, and 1, right? So it can be a single action? No, since you have 3 possible actions, for the next state, you check all possible future. Okay. Or the longest finite. Oh, good luck, givers takers. Hey, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. All right. So I need to understand this. I need to better understand this. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Redo, undo. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. Let's see here. So we can keep going here. I don't know what's going on here. So I've got this part here, but this says fake environment. Obviously, I'm going to do a real environment. Hello, sir. Again, Q state action minus reward decay times the sum of the Q future action. All right. Lambo, thank you for the silver star. Appreciate it very much. My gratitude to you. And I go over all possible actions. Okay. All right. Oh, got it. Okay. Let me check my calendar really quick, you guys. Here we go. I'm going to make sure we're on the right track here. All right. One sec. Yo, hey, Lambo for the 100. All right. My gratitude to you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So I've got 15 minutes, you guys. Nice. I got 15 minutes. Perfect. All right. Good timing. Good timing. All right. So let's see if we can figure this out. So let's just write more of the code here that we need so that we've got the placeholder. Since we have 3 actions, it would be jump, nothing, and duck. Oh, for the Q. And Q is the function, is Q step? Q is step? Is that what that is? Back after dinner, sounds good? Sounds good. Lambo, thank you again, appreciate you very much. Thank you, thank you. All right, is Codex good? Yes, I think it is. I think it's good. I use it, yes. Yes. Q is the DQ in network. Okay, so there's like a forward pass then. So where is our DQ in model? Here we go. Predicts action. Observe is our environment. So we've got our environment. Let me double check. Is this our state? This is the game state. So we've got this. And then we can calculate our reward. Okay. I think I'm starting to understand it now a little bit. There's a model.learn though, which is weird, right? This part's weird because I'm used to doing all that manually. So I don't understand this part here. It's the approximation of the future reward. Okay. Okay. So like for me, what I mean, like, you know, of course, what I would do is, you know, I would have a forward model.forward and I'd get, then I'd throw forward with the features, right? And then you get our output and then, which will be the action, right? So the assumed action, and then I have some sort of action, loss, reward, minus reward or something. I don't know. But you also need to see what the game thinks about. Okay. So you learn doing a training run like over you used to. Okay. And the code you see has no gradients. It's just seeing what happens. All right. Ayo Printco. Yo, welcome on in. Good to see you. Good to have you here. All right. So we got, what are you guys doing? We're trying reinforcement learning. We're learning about it. We've never done it before. The gradients and loss are only computed later. Only computed later. Okay. So this is information that I'm learning new things about right now. So I do not know exactly how it works. So let's see here. So let's build more of the code and then we will get things set up here. So the loops of gathered data and then the learned from data. So we do a bunch of data gathering first, is what you're saying? Okay. Why are you running in one environment? You can run the training in multiple environments. Oh, take a look. We've got more than one. A little bit more than one. We do. We're running it right now. You can see we got more than one running. Quick fix, you should publish your Dino game with anti-cheat. I mean, sure, go for it. Make it happen. Make it happen. I think that sounds like a good idea. Make it work. You can even gather data while training if you're clever. DeepMind does that sometimes. This is what I want to do. That's what I exactly want to. That's what I want to do. I want to gather the data while we're training. So I want to train some steps. I want to gather the data, and then I want to train over that. 2 different computers. Oh, over 2 different computers. J. Looney, are you training with 2 instances at once? Yes. You can try Muzero. Okay, let's take a look at that. What is that? Here we go. Ooh, let's bring this over. Google. You said Muzero? Google. Mu0. What is that? What is Mu0? A highly advanced reinforcement learning algorithm developed by Google DeepMind that masters complex environments like chess, Go, and Atari games without being programmed with their rules. It achieves superhuman performance by building an internal model of the environment and using tree search to plan for future actions. Mu0. So we're trying with DQN first because that was recommended. So far that I think I need you need to not use the package you're doing because it doesn't support that. You would probably be easier just to see the logic yourself. Okay, so you're saying that I probably want to just use, like, for example, I could just use Pytorch directly. Just use Pytorch directly is what you're thinking? And I can create my own MLP, and then I can create a reward function on top of that. So is that what you're saying? All right. So let's, and so let me look into that a little bit later. So instead of doing the DQN manually like this, or not manually, doing it automatically, we're going to do it differently. So we'll do it differently. Okay, so we're going to need a different kind of environment. Yeah, so if you want to gather the training data at the same time, it would be easier. All right, cool. All right, that makes a lot of sense. I'm like, what is this what is this over here? All right, so let's see if we can do that. So step one, let's collect the data into our environment. Let's do that first, right? So I think that would be a good idea. Let's do that. So we'll do pub/nub.python, import requests, import queue. So we've got a queue, so we can capture that. And then we can just push everything into the queue. I think that sounds like a good idea, man. And then we could probably import threading, so we can offload all the I/O to a different thread. So that's what we could do. Def subscribe, and we're gonna need a def publish here. So def publish. All right, publish, and then we're gonna say message and channel. Okay. Subscribe, we're going to say channel. And then do we want to have some sort of callback? No, we're going to throw, we need the queue. We need the queue. This will be a out queue. Let's say out queue. I don't know, is the best way to say it. I'll just say inbox. Inbox is a queue. This will be the queue. Pass and pass. All right. Let's close this down there. Okay, looking good, looking good. Or anyway, I would do that whether or not I'm, we're gonna try. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to continue on forward. I'm gonna collect the data directly into the Python app right now. I'll collect it into the Python app, and then we will be able to start gathering that information. And then we also need to, so here's a couple items that we need to do. We need to do a couple of things here. Where is our auto dyno at? Here we go. All right, so let's grab some to-do items here. To-do, here we go. All right, so receive game data, game state data, so we can know what that is. So we're gonna grab that now. And then we need to also transmit play moves, like player moves, right? So if we transmit our player moves, then we can manipulate the game, right? We can basically manipulate them. Yo, Bobo Bear, good to see you. Yellow, how's it been? Whoa, it's been a while. Hope you've been good over there. To break Steven's bot. Ooh, why would you do an anti-cheat on it? Right, exactly. Why would you? Hey, thank you, Lambo, for the sparkles. My gratitudes to you. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. You want to gather for each thing, state, reward, action taken, minus, action minus taken. The reward is future reward that the action gives you. All right. Yo, Vicky for the clutch. Thank you very much, Vicky M8K. Appreciate you. All right. I was not expecting that, Vicky. Thank you. My gratitudes to you. Thank you guys for those donations. You are so wonderful. You're so wonderful. So we're going to see if we can make this work. Yeah. We're going to receive and transmit player moves. We're going to have this will allow us to transmit player movements. And this will allow us to receive the game state, right? I'm going to do some game state receiving here. All right. So I want to do requests.get, and then we need our URL. So let's do an origin. Origin equals, And we need to copy the data that we have available to us in our monitor file here. So we're going to say our origin equals, there we go. A little bit of origin there. Yo, Vicky. Hey, for the gifted. Oh, thank you so much. What is that? Oh, the W. That's the thing you can do? Look at that right there, Vicky. I didn't know you could do that. What? Whoa, that's amazing. Thank you for the second W. 2 W's. Yo, W for the win. W for the win. Hey, thank you very much for the clutch and the W's. I've been busy making a website and passing me drivers. Oh, hey, all right. What have you made recently? Well, right now we're working on a reinforcement learning AI model that's going to take the Dino Runner game that you see here, the T-Rex game. It's going to take that data and then it's going to pass it into our AI model and we're going to train on it. Reinforcement learning style. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Hey, all right. Thank you, Vicky, again for the W's. Appreciate it. All right, so time token equals one as a string, so we'll say 1,000. And then we're gonna do, yo, Lambo, hey, for the 100. You guys are so wonderful to me. Hey, thank you so much. Oh, appreciate you guys. You're fantastic. You are fantastic. All right. Can I PR the project? I can real quick write the DQN algorithm and loss? Yes, Neva, that would be great. I would love that. That would be so good. Neva, yes, Neva. Yes, please. Thank you. I want to learn. I want to learn it. And so I'll do the data collection part here right now. We'll do the data collection part. Yo, Neva, thank you. Appreciate it. Lambo and Vicky, thank you guys. You guys are wonderful. You guys are so wonderful. All right, so we're going to have our sub key as well. Sub key equals demo. There we go. So we got origin, channel. We need a channel, which we're going to grab here. We get the channel there. So we're going to capture the channel here. Make sure we save that. Origin time token channel. Now we just need to request the data for a subscription. So there's the URL. Here we go. Whoa. All right, URL. And then we're going to make that as a F string. There we go. A little bit of F string there. And we're going to put these into the right shape. There we go. Make sure they are underlined. This will be just channel, you guys. There we go, perfect. And we have time token. All right. So that, oh, and we're not gonna do stream, we're gonna do a subscribe. Subscribe, there we go, okay. So you code on interclet? What is that? What's an interclet? Lambo, what is interclet? At Lambo, what is introculet? What is that? Can you make your membership cheaper, like 50 euros? No, I might. So what I can do is they won't let me change it. What I can do is add another tier, though. I can add a lower tier. I could. You're gonna comment so it's clear. Oh, thank you, Neva. Appreciate it. What are the 2 or 3 different ways to train on AI? So you've got reinforcement learning, supervised learning, and unsupervised learning. Does that count? 1, 2, 3. Does that count? What is that? I think that counts. Okay. So we need to get our URI, and then we get our response. Response A. There we go. And then we need to capture the time token, and then we can loop it. All right, let's try to subscribe here. All right, let's see, you need to import pubnub, and then we'll say pubnub here. Actually, you know what? That's fine. We'll know about that. No problems there. Close that. Okay, helps. Steven, do you work from home? Yeah, I'm at home right now. This is my home office right here. You guys see a little bit of home office you can see there, right there. Home office for you guys. Helps. Lambo, what do you mean? You said helps? Oh, it is coding website that helps you write code lines. Oh, hey, I've never seen that before. Okay. I've never done it. I've never used it. But Lambo, thank you for the information. I was very curious about it. I didn't know. You know my back glass I'd broken. Yes, I do. Come visit us. Oh, hey, all right. All right, you guys, I gotta go. Ready to go, you guys. Hey, Bast, thank you very much for subscribing, guys. I gotta head out now. Thank you so much for joining. We had a lot of fun today. Neva, thank you for helping me with the reinforcement learning. We'll be back tomorrow, you guys, with getting our data into our model, and then we're going to start training the AI. Yo, hey, Baster42, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it, you guys. Please, fast on stream. Got to go, you guys. I have a meeting to get to. All right, thank you so much. Bye, everybody. Hi, Todd. Hey, Bonzupi. Yeah, you know. All right. See you guys. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.